Okay. So now it is being recorded. Sorry, I have forgotten to click there. Okay, where we have been? Yeah, as uh, this is the example of the main program where we are importing the sample pack. This is there in the example folder, and within the example folder, the package is created by creating the folder. The folder name should be the same name of the package name. Now we are going into this. Here we have created one Java file A. Here we have created the package whose name is sample pack. We are declaring the class A. Under the class A, there are two methods. One method is printing the within method 1, and another method is printing within the method 2. Fine. Now let us create another another file like A, notepad. We are now taking B. Okay. So here we are printing B method 1, B method 2 to B dot Java. And here we are printing A method 1, A method 2, just to understand whether the printing method is taking from the correct method or not. So in both the cases, you can see we have written this package sample pack, So to indicate that this class comes under this package. So we can create multiple of classes under this package, and we can create multiple of methods also under this package. Fine. Now this is the main program. That is the I'm closing everything. Yeah. Now I'm clicking. Now this is the main program where the main function is there. We have already imported the package. Now what we will do, we will create an object for class A. ob1 is equals to new. We have to create the object for class B. Fine. Now we are calling the object1 dot m1, object2 dot m1, object1 dot m2. Sorry, it is case sensitive, so we have to be very careful. And object2 for m2. So object1 m1, object2 m1, object2 1 m2, object2 m2. So we have created the objects for both the classes. These classes are coming under this package as we have imported the package and we have written star. So star means we can import any class comes under this particular package. So any means as of now there are only two classes there, right? So we can create the object for both the classes and we are calling all the methods comes under those classes. Now we are saving it. So we have done. Now we will go to the example. Now if we press dir, there are p.java file is there. We will compile it javac pe.java. Enter. Now see what is happening. P class is created which comes under P, and even we haven't run the compile this file, but still this file has been compiled automatically. Okay. Now I'm running the program Java B. Within A method 1, within B method 1, within A method 2, within B method 2. So it is running successfully. So this is how we can create the package, and by using the package we can easily uh, we can create a small segment of something. For example, a large program you want to do for sum, for division, for reminder, or for any. Suppose you have to calculate the factorial of a number, you have to calculate the invert of a given binary number, or you have to calculate the any other numerical terms or equations given. So in such complex time, what you can do, you can create the package. You can create the package, and under the package you can create multiple classes, and those classes you can import by yourself within your main program. So this is how the package programming we can do. So as of now, if you have any query, then you can ask me now. Do you have any query? Do you have any query? Hello. Is the class is one-sided only? Or can I expect any, any kind of voice message from your end? I'm not getting any voice message. হ্যালো,
Yes, ma'am.
তোমাদের কি ব্যাপারটা কি? তোমাদের কথা বলতে কষ্ট হয়? সকালবেলা থেকে খাওয়া দাওয়া করনি? একটা কোয়েশ্চেন করলে একটা হ্যালো ইয়েস ম্যাম বলতো তোমাদের এত কষ্ট হয় কেন? মানে এত কুড়ে হয়ে গিয়েছো কেন তোমরা?
Sorry, ma'am.
রিয়াই বলে গেল, বাকিদের কি খবর? শ্রেয়া, সৌরভ, অঙ্কুর, আমি তোমাদের সবাইকে জিজ্ঞাসা করেছি যে কোনো কোয়েরি আছে কিনা, বা কতটুকু বুঝলে সেটা বলো। আমি না বিরক্ত হয়ে যাচ্ছি জানো তো তোমাদের ক্লাস নিতে নিতে। একটা রিপ্লাই পাওয়া যায় না। ফার্স্ট ইয়ারও যে তারা কি সুন্দর রিপ্লাই করে যে ম্যাম এই জায়গাটা বুঝলাম না বা কিছু। তোমাদের কোনো ইন্টারেস্টই নেই, তোমাদের জাস্ট কোনো ইন্টারেস্ট নেই। কি করছো কি করছো না কিচ্ছু বুঝতে পারছি না, এইভাবে হয় নাকি? তো তোমরা বুঝলে ব্যাপারটা কিভাবে হচ্ছে? যাই হোক, তোমরা কোনো রিপ্লাই দিবে না, সো আমি কনসিডার করছি যে তোমাদের বোঝা হয়ে গেছে। সো আই এম প্রসিডিং ফর দি নেক্সট পয়েন্ট। সাপোজ উই ওয়ান্ট টু import only the class A. Okay, now I'm again compiling it, so it will give some error, as here it is written that it is a class A which we want to import. The rest of the function, importing of the rest of the functions are not mandatory. So in that case, if we want to go for creating any object for any other class which comes under the same package, so in that case we can we will get some error message, such error message. Fine. So it is better to use the star, not to writing the class name. It will give us more and more ambiguities. So now if we want to create a calculator, digital calculator, by using the package, what can we do? Or কি বলবো, suppose we want to do Yeah, digital calculator is good example for the package. What can we do? ডিজিটাল ক্যালকুলেটর করতে গেলে আমাদের কি করতে হবে সেটাই জিজ্ঞাসা করছি, নর্মাল একটা কোশ্চেন। তো কি বলতে পারবে সেটা? একটা ডিজিটাল ক্যালকুলেটর কিভাবে করবো সেটা কেউ কি বলতে পারবে? একটা ক্লাসের আন্ডারে, একটা প্যাকেজের আন্ডারে কিভাবে করবো? পারবে না, ঠিক আছে। Let us use another package, DGCalc. Within here, we will use some let us check whether it is in a running condition or not. So it is created. Now we are importing the uh, So the class has been created for the sum function when we have successfully compiled the P file. So this is coming in the main body. This is how we can we have successfully created the function for sum. We can create the same kind of problem for subtraction, multiplication, remainder, or for any other operator like to the power function, or or we can use the any other kind of function we can use. So as of now, if you have any query, then you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Acha. Now I'm showing one book of Java. Um, বইটা তো খুঁজে পেলাম না, দাঁড়াও, একটা ইয়ে ছিল। Mm. Scope of access modifiers. Now it is very, you can understand it. Scope of access modifiers, like we are having four kind of access modifier. One is default, private, protected, and public. Now we can understand the scope for it, like what kind of package we can access for it. For example, this is basically the access protection I am showing you, the access protection. So when we using the package and inheritance in a program, we should be aware of the visibility restrictions imposed by various access protection modifiers. So we can take some example of it. For example, if it is public, then it can be accessible from anywhere. From anywhere it can be accessible if it is public. But if it is protected, then it cannot be inherited, the class cannot be inherited by any other subclass which is from the different package. Different package, non subclass cannot inherit. That means suppose we are having this, কোথায় গেল? We are having two packages. One package is DZCalc, another package is sample pack. So we cannot inherit a class of a sample pack from a DZCalc function class. So we cannot, any class of any package cannot inherit any other package of any other class. So that is very important part. So it was all about the protected. Now I'm coming to the private. So private can be accessed only within the same class. It cannot be accessed from any other. So private class cannot be inherited basically. And if we talk about the default class, if we do not mention any public, protected, private in that case, it can be inherited within the same class, in the same package. That means I'm coming to this example, and the same package non-subclass. So package, same package subclass and same package non-subclass. That means suppose we are creating a, sorry, not physical, I'm coming to the sample pack example. There are two classes and each of them can have two methods. So if it is default, then we can access the M1 function from the M2 function. So this is possible. We can access M1 function. We can call M1 function from the M2 function, or from the M2 function to the M1 function if it is default. So default के वक्त क्या लिखा होगा? कुछ नहीं लिखा होगा. ये public लिखा नहीं होगा. Only void would be written. Public, protected, private कुछ भी लिखा हुआ नहीं होगा. So nothing would be mentioned. If nothing would be mentioned, then by default it is default. Fine. So now it is M1. Okay, it is M1. That M1 can take the method for the M2. Similarly, same package non-subclass. Fine. So it can be inherited the same package from the non-subclass. That is also possible. But different package subclass or non-subclass cannot be possible to inherit. So package, in one package we can call anyone, but from different package we cannot call. So this is all about the default. So now I think you can understand what is the scope of the access modifiers. What is the scope of the access modifiers? So it is very important, as the public, private, protected and default variables are having their own characteristics, and based on their characteristics they can be inherited or they may not be inherited. Okay. So this is all about for today's class. I hope that you have understood the package and the scope of the protection access of the different access modifiers. So next day would be the Monday. Monday I will take your next class where we will start the next module. So we have, as of now, we have finished the module 1, 2, 3, 4. We have finished, only module 5 is remaining. Okay, so let me take the attendance for your class. এক থেকে 10-এর মধ্যে কে আছো? নাম বলো। তোমরা কি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সও দেবে না? বন্ধ করে রাখবো? বন্ধ করে দেবো? From 1 to 10, who are there? হ্যালো,
ম্যাম কেউ নেই মনে হয় ম্যাম।
नहीं मुझे
কেউ নেই মানে আমি যে এতজনকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি তারা কি চলে গেছে খুলে রেখে?
না 1 to 10 নেই।
ও আচ্ছা, 11 to 20 নেই, 21 to 30
Yes ma'am, roll 25.
28 ma'am.
27 ma'am.
25 হলো,
Yes
28.
ma'am.
25 এর পরে
27 ma'am.
27
28.
28, আচ্ছা। 30 থেকে 40, 30 থেকে 40 এর মধ্যে কেউ আছো? 40 থেকে 50 এর মধ্যে, 50 থেকে 60 এর মধ্যে, 60 থেকে 70 এর মধ্যে, 70 থেকে 80, 80 থেকে 90,
75 ma'am.
রঞ্জেশ, তাই তো?
Yes ma'am, 75.
ম্যাম স্বাতি চ্যাটে লিখেছে ওর মাইক কাজ করছে না বললো।
ওর কি রোল নাম্বার কত?
ম্যাম ম্যাম আমি আছি 42 ম্যাম, মাইক কাজ করছিল না, আমি এখন আবার রিজয়েন করলাম।
আচ্ছা 42, আচ্ছা। আর কে আছো? 70
ম্যাম
অব্দি
শ্রেয়াও আছে, ম্যাম শ্রেয়া আছে 131।
অত দূর পৌঁছায়নি। 70 থেকে 80 এর মধ্যে, 80 থেকে 90, 90 থেকে 100, 100 থেকে 110, 110 থেকে 120,
मैम अंकुर नाग 38 मैम। हेलो,
হ্যাঁ অঙ্কুরনাথ 31 দিয়েছি।
38 मैम।
38 হ্যাঁ দিয়েছি।
हाँ थैंक यू।
আচ্ছা 100 থেকে 110, 110 থেকে 120, 121 থেকে 130, 131 থেকে 140, 140 থেকে 145,
ম্যাম শ্রেয়া বর্ষাক আছে ম্যাম 131।
131 দাঁড়াও, 131। আর কে আছো?
143. সৌরভ রায়।
143 সৌরভ রায়, দাঁড়াও। অলটুগেদার কতজন আছো আমি কাউন্ট করিনি। টোটাল আছো 8 জন, ঠিক আছে দেখো তো। বাহ চলেই গেছে।